Alright, we got another one for you guys today. This is a Western Electric Model 2500. And before you say, oh, regular 80s desk phone, nah. This is from 1969, which makes this one of the very first touch tones that had the 12-button keypad, because before 1969, the before 1968, PBX systems and telephone menus weren't really that widespread for residential use. So the touch tone phones, the Model 1500, would have just been 1 through 9 and 0. So just like that, just a 10-button keypad. And then 1968, they finally figured out what to do with these keys on residential lines. And that's when they started refurbishing them. And so a lot of the actual 1500 phones are now going to say 1500, but they're going to have the 12-button keypad because they were refurbished. So to find a 1500 with the original 10-button keypad is getting harder. Now this one does have the original faceplate that is the old ribbed plastic underneath a sheet of clear plastic. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, so it is connected. I don't know if you can hear that. Yeah. So yeah, it's yeah. All the buttons are nice and clicky. So go ahead and oh, and I just realized you'll probably want to hear the tones that each button makes. So here you go. Shout out in the next video if you can guess what number I dialed just by listening to the tones, or if you get the reference by seeing the number that I dialed in the previous clip. Yeah. So, it is a bit worse for wear. This back connector piece does need to be replaced. I will source that part eventually, but for now this works. This is going to be a bit of a fixer-upper. It is a bit worse for wear, but it does work. And this was my grandfather's phone, so it's a nice memory of him to have this hooked up. So yeah. That's it. I don't really have too much more to say about this. It's a pretty standard phone, even though it is an earlier version of one. And honestly, I think it looks really great here. So yeah, that's it.